My daily routine from Monday to Friday. Hello, I am Fran Rodriguez. I'm from El Retén, Magdalena, and I work as an English and computer teacher. My daily routine starts every day at 5 o'clock in the morning when I wake up. I get out of bed about 5:15. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I have a shower and I get dressed. I take a cup of coffee while I look at my computer and I check the university material. I think this is the best time for studying. Everything is quiet. I have a female dog named Bruna and two female puppies. I take them out while then I prepare their food and they eat it all. After that, I go to my dad's house. There I have an agricultural tractor and I check if there is any work or something to do. Sometimes I have breakfast there. Then I come back home around 10. I check the school material. I rate some tests of my students and I prepare all for working. Usually I just sort of relax for a bit, and that usually for maybe half an hour. I watch TV and have a look at the news. School starts at 12:45 p.m. I start teaching at about 1 o'clock and then we have 3 lessons which go until 3:15. We have break for 30 minutes. Then 3:45 till 6 we have 3 more lessons and we finish school at 6. I teach at night too until 9:30 p.m. To adults who for some reason could not finish their studies. I go back home, have dinner, and I read or watch television until to be asleep. This is more or less my routine from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday my days are very different. I wake up at 7 o'clock, then I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, and have a shower. I take a cup of coffee and I get dressed. I take my female dogs out for about 1 or 2 hours. Then I prepare them food and watch them while they eat. After that, I make myself some breakfast and I'll go back home. I'll go back to my bed and I sleep for 1 more hour. I wake up again, have my lunch and watch television. News more than anything. Sometimes I sleep a little more. At 3, I have another shower. Then I call my daughter for helping her to review her homework or something that she doesn't understand. Around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I usually go with my family to my mother-in-law's house where we chat and have fun for a while. At night, I visit my mother and sometimes I invite her to go out for eat something. That's something wonderful. I go back home and watch television until to be asleep. Sundays On Sundays I wake up at 7 o'clock. I have a shower and take my cup of coffee. I walk with my female dog and we visit some neighbors. We go back home about 8. Normally I take my computer and some books and I prepare the material for the week's lessons. This takes me almost all the whole day. So during this activity I have my lunch. Normally the Sunday's night I go to the church. Then I go back home and watch television until to be asleep.